Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju, and we still doing it Back 40 style, trying to catch up with no ketchup. Here we go. This is our weekly CCT 52 challenge, and we're catching up. We was behind quite a few weeks. Okay, so here we go. Move this up a little bit. We've got all 3 weeks. We're going to do them all at one time. This, I'm going to attach here. This is our little dangle that we made for week 10. We had to do an embellishment with a hand and a key. So, in honor of Tyler, my baby, he turned 17 this month. And then I have a key. Because if Tyler don't do it right with his car, since he got his license, I ain't going to take his key. I'm going to nail his license to the wall. All right, so we're going to take this, and we're going to use this embellishment on the back of week 11. And we're just going to attach it so we'll know when we look in the future what we were trying to accomplish. And there we go with our little dangle. Okay, and this is week 11. Week 11 was a wild card. We had to have a family, an angel, something purple, and a garment. Okay, so, well, we have the family, something purple, putting some swirlies with it and some butterflies with a little label on it. And we have a tag because it's late. I've been catching up all day, and my brain translated garment into a tab. So there we go. It's a tab. All right, that's what we got for week 11. Week 12 is what you see here. Week 12 is a wonderful little page. We had to have a page or a page cover, a film strip, food, and math, and a puzzle, and bubbles. Lord knows, I don't like bubble pages. Okay, so what I did was I put bubbles all over the page. Lots and lots and lots of bubbles, because we screaming and running from the shark, because we the shark's food. So, our math is shark plus 1 plus 2 equals 4. For we's are in trouble. Okay? Here's our film strip, because this is Jaws. He done come at the movie to get us. Over here is our puzzle, in our little puzzle patches. Here's a crossword puzzle. And since I don't like crossword puzzles, it even has the answers all folded up nicely. And that just tucks in right here too. And hangs. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. It is Back 40 style done. And we are all caught up with our CCT 52 challenge. Yay for us. Yay for Juju. Bless my heart. Just bless it, Lord. So we're going to put this back here and put this baby to bed till next week. And on our cover, you see we had added some things because our new goal is to get this chicken math ephemera stuff that's been on our desk that we've cleaned up our craft room and found 800 million fussy cut things. Our new goal is use our stuff up, put it in our flow journal, pitch the rest when we do projects. Okay, so here we go. We added our daisies. We added some film strip and some music page. And I just had to put that math because that just tickled me about the shark and Jaws. Because, you know, that's back in my day when Jaws came out. Okay. There you go. There you have it. All right. See you next week. Bye. Love you. I have a can. I mean a hand. A can, Lord Jesus. I have a hand. Excuse me. All right, here we go.